Squarespace is a website builder known for its templates, visual appeal, and professional design. Squarespace can help you create a professional-looking site. Its affordable pricing and inclusive plans make this site builder a top choice for many site owners. With complimentary services like email marketing and domain purchasing, Squarespace can support many different business types. Squarespace offers several advantages over other website builders, making it a great choice when creating a visually appealing site. Professionally designed templates help visual-heavy businesses like photographers and artists to make the most of their sites. A drag-and-drop editor and 24/7 customer support ensure you have everything needed to create your site. You can also create portfolios on Squarespace to showcase your work, or go for e-commerce plans. Squarespace takes the challenge out of building a visually appealing site. This website builder starts you off with a selection of professionally designed templates. It's hard to go wrong with this selection, and each template is customizable. There's no need to be a designer, and you can still get a professional-looking site. Unlike some other website builders, Squarespace offers the option to include a portfolio on your site. You can go for a password-protected portfolio to share privately with clients, or create a public-facing portfolio to represent your talents on a broad scale. This feature makes Squarespace ideal for creatives. Beyond the more basic websites, Squarespace also offers many features that make it ideal for e-commerce businesses in its upper three plan options. Integrated SEO tools and site analytics help you to maximize your site's performance. Squarespace offers many professional-looking templates to save you time and make it easier to create your site. The templates are easy to customize, so you can get a professional, functional look without having to hire a designer. In addition to standard website templates, Squarespace also offers e-commerce templates. These templates help you showcase your products to drive traffic and sales. With features like inventory management and related product suggestions, these templates allow you to get your e-commerce store up and running quickly. If you're creating a site to display your professional work, Squarespace's portfolio options make it easy. You can customize galleries to reflect your work in the best light. If you have content you want to share with specific clients, the password-protected gallery option lets you do that securely. Rather than implementing SEO on your own, Squarespace's SEO tools are integrated. Tools include site maps, automatic markup to drive search engine indexing, and SEO settings for both pages and items so you can easily customize and improve your site's SEO. Squarespace analytics are detailed and comprehensive, so you can understand where your traffic comes from and improve your site's traffic. Analytics include a traffic overview, the geography of your web visitors, an activity log that details how visitors navigate your site, and also the search keywords that are driving traffic to your site. Your Squarespace site will include a free SSL certificate. With SSL certificates being a must-have, Squarespace ensures that your site is secure from the first moment, which visitors need to know your site is trustworthy. While Squarespace provides an excellent base site, you can also use apps to customize your site's performance and look further. Squarespace's integrations include popular apps like YouTube, Dropbox, and Instagram so that you can do even more with your site. Squarespace offers a powerful website builder app that lets you edit your site while you're on the go, and the app is available for iOS and Android. In addition to editing your site, you can also use the app to contact customer support or upload new blog posts. While Squarespace is designed to be easy to use, you can hire a designer or developer right through Squarespace. This can save you from searching for a professional with the skills you need, ensuring you get quality, customized work done quickly. In addition to a help page with extensive informative guides, videos, and articles, Squarespace also offers free webinars to help you develop your Squarespace skills. Community forums can also help you get answers to specific questions. If you still need assistance, Squarespace customer support is available 24/7 through live chat and email. Squarespace offers 4 site building plans. All plans come with everything you need to build a basic site, including a free custom domain and SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth and storage, templates, and SEO features. Thanks to the comprehensive approach of these plans, there's no need to worry about add-ons that should have been included already. You don't need to worry about deciding whether an upgrade for your site is worth the investment. The plans start to vary regarding factors like the number of contributors and professional site analytics. The business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce include options like a professional email and integrated e-commerce functions, making them a preferable choice if you're developing an online store or a more professional site. The basic commerce includes functions like customer accounts and merchandising tools, but the advanced commerce is the smart choice for e-commerce sites. It includes an abandoned cart recovery option, advanced shipping, and advanced discount features that can help to drive sales. All plans are available with an option to pay annually or monthly. The annual subscription option gets you 25% off the price you would pay for a monthly subscription. With its personal plan starting at just $14 per month billed annually, Squarespace offers accessible pricing that makes it an excellent choice for many business owners. The personal plan comes with features like portfolio templates, giving creatives everything they need to get their site built and launched. Stepping up into the business plan as a site grows will get you more functionality for just a slight increase up to $23 per month. Squarespace's basic commerce and advanced commerce plans at $27 and $49 also deliver decent value. These plans don't carry transaction fees, and they allow you to sell unlimited products. They are ideal for medium to large-scale e-commerce businesses.